From luxurious accommodations to exclusive experiences, luxury travel transcends mere transportation. This video provides essential tips for maximizing your luxury journey, covering destinations like Tokyo, New York, and Paris. You'll gain insider insights on the finest hotels, top restaurants, and convenient transportation options, ensuring an indulgent and seamless adventure. Booking the finest accommodation, selecting the right hotel is crucial in luxury travel. Opt for renowned properties such as the Four Seasons George V in Paris or the Park Hyatt Tokyo, which promise exceptional service and lavish amenities. It's wise to reserve your room 3-6 months ahead of your trip and consider upgrading to a suite for added comfort. Rates for luxury hotels typically range from $500 to $1,500 per night, depending on the season and location. Navigating transportation with ease. Transportation should enhance the luxury travel experience. Consider booking a private car service, like Blacklane or Uber Black, for a stylish arrival. Alternatively, luxury train services, such as Japan's Shinkansen or Europe's Eurostar, provide a unique and comfortable way to experience the scenery. Be sure to purchase tickets 1-2 months in advance to secure the best rates, which can vary from $200 to $500 per trip. Dining like royalty. Culinary adventures are a key aspect of luxury travel. Research and prioritize dining at top restaurants, including Michelin-starred establishments like Le Bernardin in New York and L'Atelier de Joël Robuchon in Paris. Make reservations 2-3 months early to ensure availability, and expect to spend $200 to $500 per person for a multi-course dining experience, complete with exquisite wine pairings. Luxury travel embodies high-quality service, lavish comfort, and unique experiences that leave lasting memories. Choosing elegant accommodations with exceptional service sets the stage for an unforgettable journey. Consider preferred amenities, including spa services and personalized concierge assistance, to enhance your stay. Transportation options extend beyond the basics. Choosing a chauffeur-driven vehicle streamlines city navigation, while a private helicopter ride offers extraordinary views of landmarks. Coordinate transportation details in advance to ensure a seamless experience that adds to the sophistication of your travels. Dining is not just about eating, it's an essential part of the luxury experience. Seek out restaurants known for their exceptional dishes and unique atmospheres, where every meal feels like a special event. Be proactive about making reservations, particularly for tasting menus that showcase the chef's best dishes paired expertly with fine wines. This level of attention ensures a delightful blend of flavors and ambience throughout your meals. To further enrich your experience, immerse yourself in the local culture through curated excursions. Interact with local artisans or participate in activities, like private art tours or cooking classes, to gain authentic insights into each destination. Luxury travel means creating memorable moments filled with elegance and sophistication. In summary, luxury travel thrives on meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. By following these guidelines, you can create a remarkable journey, focusing on comfort, convenience, and style. With the right mindset and insider tips, you'll embrace the essence of luxury travel and enjoy experiences that are lavish and unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget your gift in the video description below.